I cannot believe it. It has been a dream 3 years ago. But today I have 2 beautiful bathrooms. My name is Susan, and we live in Arden Park, and we just finished 2 bathroom remodels with VL tile. I decided from early with VL tile because the first time I saw him 3 years ago, and I said, I want this guy to come back to do my bathroom. You know, he had some of these examples. That was 3 years ago, and I saw him, and then I said, yeah, I just want this guy to come back. If I have to pay extra, I'll do it. So VL Tile had taken all the walls apart and redo the walls, prep everything, and then did the tiles and then the whole bathroom. And that was like 40-year-old bathroom, so we needed to remodel it. It's very clean, everything is done very, very professionally. I think for everybody, to make a bathroom a lasting place for you to, you know, bathe and clean yourself. That's very important. It was very easy. We were both on the same, same page. He actually saved me some money too. Instead of saying, oh, this is good, but he didn't, he's very particular with pricing as well. He takes care of his customer that way. It is fast. He doesn't waste his time. He tells you the timeline of his project. It's not about the money particularly. It's about, to me, it's about the communication, the relation that you have to talk to someone and then at ease. It's very easy from the beginning that you have this relationship, with your contractor. So that is how I feel about VL Tile. I cannot believe it. It has been a dream 3 years ago. But today I have 2 beautiful bathrooms. Well, I would definitely recommend VL Tile to anybody who is going to do their bathroom remodels.